All right, this is in, I'm guessing it's a 42-inch, another JCPenney Alaska ceiling fan. Again, you guys will have to tell me exactly what it is because I forgot. But anyway, this is installed in the guest bathroom, which is adjacent to the bedroom with that fan right there in it. So it's just right next to it. So looks a lot like that one in there. It's got the same kind of blades, this kind of marble looking style. So yeah, let's go and get this going. There's the light. So I think one of these shades are loose. No, it's a loud fan. All right, I'm gonna stop the video real quick and try and fix that. As soon as it gets up to speed on low. All right, I'm gonna fix that real quick. All right, I tried tightening some screws, but the noise is still there, so I'm sure it's in the shades though, one of the shades though, so it's just gonna have to stay like this throughout the video. Maybe it'll get quieter in the higher speeds, so. Maybe not. Yeah, that can get annoying after a while. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely quieter on high. Another powerhouse too. Yeah, it got quieter for sure. All right, that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more fans.